Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to do some systems of equations stations. The first station we're going to work on is substitution and elimination, just basic solving. The first two questions, number 1A and B, you don't need to actually solve them. You just need to tell me how you would solve them if you were so inclined. Number 1, y equals 3x minus 5, y equals x minus 11. When you see y equals both times, you want substitution. So substitution, why would I want substitution? It's going to be real easy to set these two things equal to each other. Part B, 7x minus 3y equals negative 5, 3x plus 2y equals 11. Kind of gross. Don't really feel like getting a variable by itself. I think elimination's the way to go. You're going to have to mess with both equations, but that's probably your best bet. So elimination for part B. Number 2, actually solving. It says do it by substitution, so I'm going to do it by substitution. When I've got y by itself in the first equation, I'm going to come down here to the other equation, but I'm not going to write y anymore. 5x minus, instead of y, I'm going to put negative 3x plus 6 equals 18. Do not forget to distribute the negative. Once you do that, 5x plus 3x minus 6 equals 18. Combine some like terms. 5x plus 3x equals 8x. Go ahead and move that 6, add 6 to both sides. 8x equals 24, that means x is 3. But you still got to go back and get y, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you forgot, or I hope you didn't forget to get y. Once you've got x, go back, plug it in. The top one looks easy. Let's do the top one. Negative 3 times x, but I know x is 3. Negative 3 times 3 plus 6 is y. Well, that means y is negative 3. Go ahead and check it if you don't believe me. Part B. You don't quite have y by itself, but it's really easy to get y by itself. Remember on the flow chart, divide everything by 2. So now you've got y equals 2x plus 9. Now you come down to the other equation, 2x plus, but don't write y, 2x plus 2x plus 9. That's what y equals 3. Combine some like terms, 4x plus 9 equals 3. Subtract 9 on both sides, 4x equals negative 6. And we need to divide x equals negative 1.5. Make sure you've got your sign right. Once you go back up, plug that guy in. Let's do the bottom one. 2 times negative 1.5 plus y equals 3. 2 times negative 1.5 is negative 3. Negative 3 plus y equals 3. Add 3 to both sides, y equals 6. If you have y equals 0, be careful with your signs. Y equals 6. Go ahead and check that one if you don't believe me. Next, we're going to do some elimination, and the first one is already set up for you, so definitely want to do elimination. When you add these two equations together, 3x plus 5x makes 8x, y plus negative 1y, hey, they cancel out, they're gone. No more y's. 6 plus 18 is 24, so 8x is 24. If 8x is 24, that means that x is 3. Go back and get y. 3 times x is 3 times y, or I'm sorry, 3 times 3. 3 times 3 plus y equals 6, so 9 plus y equals 6, y equals negative 3. Hey, that's the same problem as the substitution one, wouldn't you know? Elimination, the last one. You can't just go ahead and add them together, nothing goes away. Well, what do we do? Let's multiply the top equation by 4. But Mr. Wyatt, why would you multiply by 4? Well, student who is listening to my YouTube channel, 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. And negative 8 is the opposite of positive 8. So when you add 8x and negative 8x, you get 0. No x's. That's what I want. So when I multiply the whole top equation by 4, I get negative 8x plus 24y equals 40. I'm going to rewrite this so that I have it nice and set up. And now when I add my equations together, the x's go away. 4y plus 24y is 28y equals 44 plus 40 is 84. 28y is 84. That means that y equals 3. So you have y. Go back and get x. How about the bottom equation? 8x plus 4 times 3 equals 44. 8x plus 12 equals 44, which means when you subtract 12, 8x is 32. So x equals 4. And you are done with the first stage. And congratulations. I hope you got 100.